Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can exactly fix in COD Black Ops 3 crashing, launching, freezing, stuck, or black screen, and any other error issues. So let's jump right into the video, and I hope it's gonna help you. Just so you know, I'm sharing this from my own experience, what I've tested and worked for me. Also what didn't work for me, because I know for some of you it will work, because yeah, that's how it works usually. With I don't know exactly which method will work, but that's why you have to try all the methods. So let's jump right into the video now. So the first method is to head over to Windows Updates, and here make sure you click on advanced options, and here in advanced options click on optional updates, driver updates, and also check all the updates, driver updates that are available here that you see in this list, and click on install, download, and install. That's what you gotta do. That's the first method. But now the second method is very important, and is to go to graphics settings, and here in graphics settings make sure you locate the game, and make sure you locate Black Ops 3, and then click on options and select high performance here. If you can't see here Black Ops 3, make sure you go to browse, and here you add a game from where you downloaded it. Just go exactly where you go to that folder when you download the game, okay, and just add to this list and click on high performance. All right, now the next method, what you have to do is to install DirectX end user runtime web installer. Click on download, and as well as Microsoft Visual C++. This is what you need to do in order to to run any game. Make sure you install both of this. Click on next, and it's very easy to install DirectX and user. Now also go and install GeForce Experience. Alright, click on just install GeForce Experience, click on check for updates, and if there's an available driver, just download it. Okay, that's what you have to do. This all the methods. Now actually there's another one, remember now. Go to the game, okay, go to Black Ops, go to properties, in local files go to verify integrity of game files, and also go to browse, and here make sure you right click on the game Black Ops, go to the right to the game, and go to compatibility, and here disable full screen optimization, and run this program as administrator, and also run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Check these boxes, and also check this box as well. Click on apply and okay. This did not work for me, but I hope the last method, this one, worked for you. And please leave your results in the comment section, and I hope it's gonna work for you. I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching, and take care.